Hey guys, hello. I want to introduce you to an excellent, in my opinion, reversal indicator that gives a lot of profitable signals for local price reversals. I'll say right away that its signals aren't accurate enough during trending periods, but if we choose flat, sideways, market sections, we can see that there are a lot of signals. And honestly, all of them are, well, simply brilliant and quite impressive. Because each and every one of those ideas could have potentially helped us to make a very substantial profit in the long run. In this case, I can say that with proper money management. Furthermore, if you are able to successfully filter out those specific trending periods, then these signals will surely bring you a very consistent and reliable profit. Just take a look and see the results for yourself. How well it shows all these reversals, and the signals from this indicator do not repaint. You can download it for free on my website, just like many other indicators. As for this indicator, the first thought that came to my mind when reviewing and using it was simply to add, for example, this is a reliable support and resistance technical indicator. And right here in this section, we can clearly see that, as you can observe right now, once the required level has been reached, support, and when we get an upward signal, for example, we can make a trade and earn a profit. Just like it happened here, and right in this section. And even here we can see that there were sell signals. When the resistance level is reached, we make a trade in the downward direction. And we make a profit. This is the first way to use it. But those who are interested in trading, those who have at hand, there are also many other indicators, including ones you can download from my website. You can create your own trading system that uses stop loss and take profit, meaning a safe trading system without a grid, without martingale, and earn from these reversal signals. And of course, I don't recommend taking every single one of them. For example, regarding this system, we enter the market with a sell order only when the indicator reaches, or rather, when the price reaches these blue resistance levels, and we enter a buy when the price reaches the support levels. You can download this kind of indicator for free from my website and use it to build your own profitable trading system.